Good morning, students. I wanted to create a tutorial to help you get onto HMH into Literature online. So the first thing you want to do, you probably are already there, you are on Google Classroom. I created a material. You can see this symbol here means material. And that's where I put the link to HMH into Lit. So you click on that, and in the link I have the link to HMH. I have the username and password written down for how the username and passwords were created for each student. The username is capital C, capital R, exclamation point, student number. Password is capital C, lowercase r, s, d, exclamation point, student number. Try to log in. I'll show you what that login screen looks like using a student ID. I'm sorry, I took you to the wrong page. If I click here, click on the link, here's what the user page looks like. It has to be from this page. You cannot go type HMH into Google. You have to use the link that I provided or the website won't work. So if I was logging into my own account, I would go here. I'm actually using a student account so you can see what it looks like inside so that I can show you a couple things. So once you log in, it's going to look like this. It'll tell you what unit you last viewed. It'll say your name up in the corner, and it'll show you all the other units. It will also show you the resources that you can use down below the units. If you click on the Assignments tab, you will see that I have assignments created for you. We have been working out of the Write an Argument assignment. So when I click Start, it takes me to the packet that I handed out in class. So you'll see that we're writing an argument. The writing studio that I referred to, the link is right there. Every time that you open another link, you'll see up here the tabs are forming. You might not be able to see that, but it opens new tabs. So you can read through, use the arrows on the side here to page through and look at the argument. If you have any questions, leave a message in the comments or email me, and I will help you figure out how to log on. Hope you're having a good day.